Unless you have been living under a rock, you have heard an awful lot about AI, artificial intelligence. It's a powerful tool. It's a tool. Think of it that way. You will still need to add your own voice to it. You'll need to give it prompts to tell it what to do and what to improve. But one of the things I see a lot, whether that's emails, letters, etc., is a lot of people don't know where to start and how to start. And for that, in and of itself, it can be a great help. So this past week, we did a webinar. You should have gotten an email on that. That webinar will only be up for a little bit. Depending upon when you listen to that, it may already be down. So take a look at that webinar. We go through how AI can be used in the business acquisition journey. And we also ended up giving some special pricing for that, which will also change in the future. So go ahead and take a look at that. If you want to go directly to that, just go to brucewhipple.com/AI. But I want to tell you what's in that. I'm going to read this and it'll give you a feel. So it's 14 module course. It's more than 4 hours of content, and it'll show you how to use AI in almost every step of the business acquisition process. So conducting market research, writing or improving your biography, crafting your executive summary, pieces of it, optimizing your LinkedIn profile, creating your seller persona, or basically the avatar of what you're looking for. You're going to be surprised some of the things it gives you there. Writing cold emails, letters, even phone scripts. Again, it'll guide you. You're going to have to put your own work into that as well. Negotiation support, handling objections. The more I do this, the more I see how powerful that tool is. Again, it's a tool. Remember that. And then we gave 3 bonuses. How to use AI to design your logo, the ChatGPT super prompt, how to get even better results faster. There's now a version of ChatGPT that has live access to the internet. Previously, the database was from 2021. And then 45 days access to the private AI Facebook page. And the reason for that is this is changing so quickly that we wanted to provide some way that we could give updates to keep you current on that. And also gave a 30-day guarantee, money back guarantee. So this truly, for me, as I look at it, is a no-brainer. You should be using it. It's another tool in your toolbox. When I began this acquisition journey back in the 90s, we didn't have email. We didn't have LinkedIn. We didn't have the internet. My first email address was in 1995. And so think of the changes in technology that we now use for this, most notably probably LinkedIn and Google. But this is no different. This is a tool. The technology has advanced, and we want to take advantage of that. The process is the same process it was back in the 90s. That hasn't changed, and that's worked, and you've seen the success stories from that. So again, if you are interested in that, go to brucewhipple.com/AI. And again, depending upon when you listen to this, the replay of the webinar will be up and the special pricing will be there as well. So take action sooner than later if this has interest to you, but you are going to be surprised with how much benefit you can get and if you know how to use the AI tools. So I encourage you to do that. Keep pushing. This is still about kissing frogs and taking action, and be sure you're doing those with the right tools, follow the steps, etc., etc., etc.